The basic definition is using game design elements in a non-game context. And the main purpose of that is increasing user engagement and motivation. And then the idea is, how is this relevant to us? How can we actually use it in production, as we say, to improve the business? And yeah, the core game mechanics, how things work, etc. So I show you the sort of the best practices that we looked at. There's two slides, and I'm looking at the next one. So these are the guys that we looked at, and these are sort of the main things that we distilled, the key elements that we think can be implemented and can be very useful. A point system and a bonus programs. This is something that I think is fundamental. We have our own credit system, and I really recommend that you do that. Our credit system is our currency. So we have our own little economy, and then we can devalue or increase the value of our currency. And then we said we're going to have a separate point system. We want people not to be confused by the two. So you cannot buy these points. You really have to engage with the platform in order to get the points. The credits you pay for. Rewards that you can get with points, or you can get in different contexts. Achievements, badges, leaderboards, and stuff like that is super interesting. And then challenges and lottery games. People like lottery, people like gambling. Especially in this type of context where they don't have to spend money for it, people like spinning wheels, etc.